In this video, you'll learn how to transfer a domain from GoDaddy to another registrar. We'll go step by step, slowly and clearly, so you can follow along on your own screen. By the end, you'll know exactly what to click, what information you need, and how to avoid the most common issues people run into during a transfer. First, sign into your GoDaddy account and go to your domain portfolio. This is the main area where all of your domains are listed. Find the domain name you want to transfer. Take a moment to double check that you've selected the correct one, especially if you manage multiple domains, because every action you take from here on will apply to that specific domain. Once you've selected the domain, you'll need to turn off the domain lock. Domains are locked by default to prevent unauthorized transfers, so this is an important step. Look for the domain lock option and toggle it from on to off. You may see a confirmation message or a short delay as the change is applied. If that happens, just wait a few seconds and make sure the status shows as unlocked before moving on. Next, you'll turn off domain privacy, sometimes called WHOIS protection. This feature hides your personal contact details from public records, which is great for security, but it also prevents the new registrar from seeing the information they need to verify the transfer. Find the domain privacy setting for this domain and turn it off. GoDaddy may remind you that your contact information will become visible. This is normal for transfers. You can usually turn privacy back on at your new registrar after the transfer completes. With the domain unlocked and privacy turned off, scroll to the section related to domain transfers. Look for an option labeled Transfer to another registrar and click it. This tells GoDaddy that you intend to move the domain away. You'll be guided through a series of prompts. These may include confirmations about your contact email and notices about what will happen to services connected to the domain. Carefully read each screen, then click Continue with Transfer when you're ready. On the final transfer page, you'll see a link or button that says something like click here to see authorization code. This code is sometimes called an EPP code, and it's essential. Click that link, and GoDaddy will display your unique authorization code. Copy this code exactly as it appears. It's a good idea to paste it into a temporary document to make sure you have it correctly. Now, go to your new registrar and start their transfer domain process. When prompted, paste the authorization code you copied from GoDaddy, submit the transfer request, and follow any remaining instructions from the new registrar. After that, you simply wait for the transfer to complete, which can take a few days.